we're gonna do an arm rolling exercise. So in this position, we're gonna be flat on your back. If you need a little bit of neck and head support through this one, this could be useful as well. So just kind of check in as you do this and see if maybe you need a little pillow or a blanket, or even it could just be your sweatshirt rolled up underneath your neck. We don't want to feel like there's a lot of neck discomfort with this. So to start the roll, what we're going to do is we're not going to want to roll on our arm. So we're going to take that right arm and we're going to slide it out of the way. Okay? We're going to take the left arm and we're going to work on reaching to the ceiling first a little bit. That little bit of reach should feel like the shoulder blade comes off the floor, and you should already start to feel a little bit of core engagement with that. So what we're going to do is we're going to reach up, and then we're going to start to follow the eyes and fingertips as we roll across the body. Okay? Legs are going to be dead, so don't use your legs to help you. And you're going to think about eyes and head. So head might have to come up to watch your hand as you're going to work across the body. When it gets hard, you're going to stop and you're going to breathe and try to roll a little bit more, keeping the legs relaxed until your hips stack up. And then you can bring everything back, run through that again. Hands going to go to the ceiling, feel the shoulder blade want to come off the floor. If it pulls on your neck, do a little less. And then we're going to go across the body, eyes and head work together. Okay, head can come up off the floor if needed, but legs are dead. There we go. Roll, roll, roll. When it gets hard, stop and breathe. We don't want to hold our breath through this exercise. Hips are stacked. Roll it back and take a break.